kind of, okay. But yeah, but then when I'm on stage, I just like try to let it out.
Ako naman baligtad, stiff ako pag, oo. Huwag mo ininisan na. Buti hindi ka naninisan.
I was gonna tell you, there's only 3 guys left in the Little Dreamers. And guess who they belong to?
Ano na? 3 na lang?
3 lang. Because the others...
Angelo, Philip, and...
Little Bagoy.
Si Dean, ano?
Oh my God, I'm feeling it. I wanna get to the top 6.
Top 6.
With you, with the big
Gold,
winner.
top 6. Ala! Ano ka ba? Hindi.
Oh,
Dapat
pwede.
ano.
Pwede.
Basta sana makaabot tayo top 6 na. After top 6.
Actually, happy din ako. I mean, like, goal ko talaga top 6. Because baka maiwan yung super magaling sa taas kayo.
Hindi ko lang alam. Hindi, alam mo, pantay-pantay na tayo ngayon. Tignan mo nga yung mga boses natin.
Pagpunta ako sa, if ever pupunta ako sa top 6, gusto ko mga top 3 din. Maghati ako basta kasama tayo.
Oo, kasi di ba magkakasala sa tour. Magkakasama tayo.
So much fun. It's really fun because we're all friends.
Di ba? Saya. Excited ako.
That's why it's the goal. That's why I was so embarrassed when I heard my -1. But I knew I did that because I didn't know the song. Because normally I'd have, I would really study it. But this time, I'm studying. Kasi nakamali ako talaga. You heard it. It was so bad. It was so bad.
Narinig minsan. Yung sa akin narinig mo, sintonado ako.
No, see?
Flat ako.
You have to be sintonado on the actual.
Super flat.
We do well.
Kasi yun yung actual na tinuro sa akin, mag-whistle ako dun sa part na yun. Kasi sabi ni ma'am yun na.
Look how long my song is. It seems so short. It seems so short.
Kasi mabagal. Yung sa akin, ano eh.
I like my song.
Ako din.
I'm in love with it. I mean, I'm in love with the sense that,
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-belt yung song ko eh. Hindi ako belter talaga. Hindi ako mahilig. Nung dati,
you're a belter.
Dati ganun ako.
Belter? But you don't like anymore?
Ayoko nang ganun. Lagi napapagod yung ano.
Yung voice mo? Yung vocal folds mo?
Kaya, nag-ano din ako ganun.
Tour tayo. We're gonna have so much fun.
Saya.
Sama tayo.
Sana kasama kayo sa linggo.
Where?
Gusto ko doon kayo.
No, I'm happy. Later. Later na lang.
Hindi, I mean, ano.
Support talaga yung tao sa akin.
Sana, oo, yun.
Kasi
Yun
may
din.
belief sila. At least, like I said, di ba, sabi nila, kasi parang may marked improvement. Ako yung pinaka-marked improvement. Which makes me feel like I'm really getting better here. Like when Direk Joey asked, Direk Joey said, what's the most memorable part of this journey? Guess ang sabi ko, my improvements.
Yeah. Wow.
I didn't say the friendship, I didn't say it's me being improved. Because that's what I'm supposed to be here for. Weird yung
yan noon, yung ano mo, ano yan, rashes or ano?
Oo, may rashes ako.
Dami ng rashes, ba't tinatatanggal?
Pag
Yan
heat,
mo.
I'll put medicine.
Pati sa pisngi mo.
Di?
Oo.
Ay, even dry nose.
Dito.
Oo, dito, no?
Ako sa ilong, mayroon parati dito sa ilalim para tuloy ko langot.
So excited, I wanna get there. We're gonna get there.
Yeah. Ako din, ako tama.
Come on, we have to make tubular attack.
Nakabahan ako.
We're already top 9. For sure, top 9. So then we have to get to top 8. Top 8, top 7, isa pa.
Pero bukas meron pa rin mapa-probation, diba?
Oo.
Ilan? 3?
So if ever we're
Dalawa.
kung hindi tayo doon sa, we're top 8 na. Well, you pa sa bottom.
Hindi.
If I deliver my song, this should be a good, I hope, God willing. I'm just gonna focus still, but my goal talaga. Our goal. And that's it. So if...
Si Van din lagi yung sinasabi sa akin eh.
Hindi na. Dahil sa akin yung gusto talaga. Kaming 3. Umibugoy din. Ikaw, si Chris, basta.
Sinabi niya nga, sabi niya pati top 3 gusto niya din. Sabi ko, oo nga, ako din, lahat naman sabi ko.
Gusto mo top 3, pero diba?
Top 6 muna, syempre. Kailangan muna ng ano.
That's where and then the fight begins and actually even the fight, because it's gonna be, unfortunately, it's who's the most popular at that point, no? And the one that people like. It's the people's choice. That's what I mean, popular, in the sense that